But that's the big story in Amethi. You've got, can I just show you on the EI dashboard? That's what I love about the EI dashboard. We're able to pull out in real time what's happening in every single seat in the country. In Amethi, at this time, when the last data came in, let me find Amethi. Here it is. In Amethi, you've got Smriti Irani at about 1,04,000 votes, Rahul Gandhi at about 94,000 votes. Remember, this is data that's coming into the Nielsen server. The man on the ground has the latest report. It takes about a few minutes for it to come in. But this is Amethi. This is really one of the biggest stories of this Lok Sabha election. Smriti Irani at this time is leading against Rahul Gandhi, president of the